Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're in the Philippines and we're at the Bamboo Park. I'm gonna go ahead and show you around. It's so hot here, but under the shade it's like much cooler. I'm kind of keeping an eye out for snakes because they do have those here, but check this out. This is so cool. Bamboo. I started to film my intro and this guy came out. Ooh, almost fell. This guy came out and said that they have a guide and that they're gonna show us around, and they have a petting zoo and there's a balcony that we can go up, and he said there's a good view of the mountain, good view of the bamboo, so we're going to do that as soon as the guide comes out. But check out this dead leaf here. It's pretty big, and this is dry bamboo, and bamboo is like one of the hardest woods, but it's so peaceful here. And they have these little swings that you can swing on. Snakes. What is this? Coconut? Coconut, I think. I'm gonna ask. Oh, I ordered fresh coconut juice for my family. Here, buko juice. Is this a coconut? Oh, baby coconut. Can you eat this one? Why not? Oh, yeah. Can't eat that one.
I can film you.
No, it's okay.
Here. Fresh buko.
I got it. What's hot? Refreshing. How much is one of these in dollars?
90 cents.
Well.
45 pesos. They got it from the farm, so it's really fresh.
Yeah, it's fresh. Better than the one on the side of the street we had the other day. Okay, now or never. It survived. Oh, this is nice. We need one of these for the house. You got it?
I think so. Keep going.
It's so comfy. But it's so peaceful, and this is free of charge. So these are coconuts. baby coconuts that I've learned. You can't eat them, but there's signs all throughout to watch for the coconuts that are falling. We can just explore. Can you see it? Camera? This is what is this? Coconut? Coconut leaf. Yeah. Stem? Stick? Coconut leaf. Wow. Every time I press record, you're burping.
Coconut leaf.
The forest is really deep here. Yes, dear. Do you think there's cobras out here?
No. I'm not sure, but be careful with the uneven surface.
JT's my cobra guard. Oh wow. Look at this entrance. This is where we came in. We took a jeepney. You guys have pandas here?
No, baby.
No pandas?
Only Japan.
Only Japan. Hmm. Homemade gate. Well, it's in process. It's heavy. This is an old coconut, and this here, if you leave it in the ground, it'll grow up to be a baby coconut tree like this over here. Okay. This one right here is what I'm talking about, the baby coconut. Wait, baby coconut tree. This is a patch of baby coconuts growing. Right here.
See the mountain up here.
Wow,
The mountain right there.
that's so pretty. This is what the bamboo forest looks like from the top. Leaves. Wow. And over here, we have this beautiful, beautiful sunset. Wow. Check it out. Coconut trees. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of Encanterra Park, also known as a bamboo park. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks. Eh?
There you go.
Cut!
Cut.